travel through mountain or ghat roads, the road keeps twisting and turning. At some curves, you can't see what's on the other side. A driver might be carefully, but he still won't know if an ambulance, a vehicle or a car is coming in the opposite side. It's almost like a mountain is covering something behind it, where the accidents usually happen. So we thought, why not make a way for vehicles on both sides of the blind curve to know about each other before they actually meet. Something simple that tells the driver, hey, someone's coming from the other side. That idea is what led us to make this solution.
Greetings to everyone! We have come up with a solution for this problem because the methods used right now on the mountain and ghat roads are not fully reliable. Today, most places only have things like mirrors at curves, warning signboards, speed limits or sometimes speed breakers. But these don't really solve the problem. Mirrors become blurry, dirty or foggy and many drivers can't clearly see anything in them. Signboards just tell people to go slow, but they don't actually warn if your vehicle is coming at the exact moment. Speed breakers help a bit, but drivers still don't know what's around the corner. In some places, there are no mirrors, no lights and no sensors at all. So drivers just have to hope that the road is clear. Because these tools can't give real-time information and even fail when people need them the most. Accidents still happen. That's why we decided we need a better, smarter and more dependable solution for these blind curves.
Our solution is based on one main idea. What if vehicles would warn each other before they actually meet on a blind curve? We noticed that in mountain and ghat areas, the biggest problem is that drivers can't see who is coming from the other side. So, instead of depending on mirrors or signboards, we decided to use something that almost everyone already has, a mobile phone. The way our idea works is pretty simple. When two vehicles are approaching a sharp curve from two opposite sides, their phone automatically connect to each other using our system. This connection happens silently in the background, without the driver having to press anything. The moment the system detects that another vehicle is nearby but hidden by the curve, the two phones exchange a quick signal. Once the signal is received, the phone plays a clear voice message for the driver, saying something like, "There is a vehicle approaching ahead. Please maintain a safe speed and distance." This gives the driver enough time to slow down and be careful, instead of getting surprised at the last moment. It makes the road feel safer because the driver knows what's coming before they actually see it. We also added a special feature for the ambulance. The vehicle on the other side is an ambulance. The alert is sent only to the other driver's phone, telling them to move aside or slow down. This helps the ambulance reach on time without getting stuck at a blind turn. Overall, our solution is simple, affordable and works almost like a small GPS system that warns you just when you need it the most.
Our solution is completely software based and it mainly uses GPS and accelerometer that are already built in every smartphone. We wanted something that doesn't require big machines, sensors or new equipment on the road. Instead, we thought, why not use the tools people already carry in their pockets? Since this problem is really about communication between vehicles, our idea fits well into computer networks and devices talk to each other. Here's how it works. When two vehicles are moving towards a blind curve, their phone keeps checking their location using GPS. If the system notices phones are approaching the same curve from the opposite directions, the phone exchanges a small signal. This signal acts like a frequency that lets one phone know the other phone is close by. This signal appears even in the drivers can see each other. The accelerometer helps the system understand the vehicle's speed and movement so that the alert only plays when it's actually needed and not randomly.
As soon as the signal is received, the driver's phone plays a voice message warning them that another vehicle is approaching.
Ambulance approaching. Ambulance approaching. 0. Ambulance approaching. 0. Ambulance approaching. 0 meters away. Give way. Ambulance approaching. 10 meters. Ambulance approaching. 10 Ambulance approaching. 10 meters away. Give way.
This way, drivers don't have to guess or hope that the road is clear. Instead, they will get a real-time alert based on actual movement and location. It's simple, automatic and works without disturbing the driver. We also added a special frequency for ambulances. Ambulance phones send out a unique signal that the other regular vehicles can detect instantly. When other vehicle receives this ambulance frequency, only that driver gets that alert to slow down, move aside, and this helps ambulance travel faster through curves and reach patients on time. Overall, our idea uses basic phone sensors, networks to make mountain driving much safer without adding any hardware on the road.
Thank you.